A camel in desert countries like Iran is a means of transportation. This is the popular one-passenger model. Behind it, but catching up fast, is a popular six-passenger means of transportation from America. The 1958 Ford, first car ever to be proved and approved around the world. When the drivers sighted this camel train crossing the Persian desert, they decided to stop and compare notes. Like a camel, a Ford is rugged, economical to own, and goes a long way on a little fuel. But there the similarity ends. For example, to change a camel's speed, you give him a whack, then wait. Eventually he'll accelerate. But usually the mood doesn't last very long, and he slows down again. A Ford, however, is always in the mood to go, especially a Ford with new Cruise-o-matic drive. Just slip the selector into the new D1 position, nudge the accelerator, and you get an instant, solid-feeling low-gear start. From that point on, right up to highway cruising speed, everything is automatic and so smooth and quiet you won't even think about it. You'll use Cruise-o-matic's D1 position for all normal driving, even if you live in a city of hills like San Francisco. That's because D1 always gives you a full power thrust that'll zoom you up hills like this with ease. Cruise-o-matic also has a new D2 position for gentle, sure-footed starts in mud or snow. Because D2 starts you in intermediate, you get more traction, less wheel spin. And teamed with Ford's new Interceptor V8 engine, Cruise-o-matic gives you up to 15% gas savings. Cruise-o-matic is the newest, thriftiest, most versatile of all automatic drives. It's another reason why there's nothing newer in the world than the '58 Ford.